rate of advancement and change in technology has really created this dilemma for most organizations because of new solutions and innovative capabilities. And while COVID forced many organizations to accelerate their digital transformation, what we're seeing now is the need to maintain that distributed enterprise. So your users, as well as your customers, can access your services and application from anywhere, anytime, and securely. Now, businesses also should continue to invest in cloud-native platforms to continue to build and transform their application portfolio, but just as importantly, to remain digitally competitive. Of course, there's also new wireless capabilities. We've seen private and public 5G combined with multi-access edge compute can really transform any industry, especially when real-time applications and real-time performance is critical. We've heard about AI or artificial intelligence and machine learning, but we've now got the opportunity to integrate it into our services as well as into our operational environment. As one CIO said to me recently, I now have the capability to remove the manual intervention of my network team from the provisioning of new services and applications. Now the big question is when and what. Now what it shouldn't be is technology for technology's sake. It really is about doing a critical analysis and alignment of the combination of technologies which will help deliver your business outcomes in a much quicker fashion. We used to have network services, and then security came along. But in both of those spaces, from an infrastructure point of view, they were very dedicated devices. As our solutions advance, and as cyber becomes more of an integrated solution as part of any network service offering, what we're seeing is that collapsing of those functions even within devices. So we're seeing that convergence of the functionality both at an operational level, but even in the physical infrastructure of the solutions that we're deploying. There's no doubt that the proliferation of that distributed enterprise as well as the edge, as well as new capabilities like SASE, has really intensified the need for the convergence of network and cyber. But this has also exacerbated the situation for most customers in their ability to efficiently and effectively manage that complex network and cyber space. So to address this, businesses really need to start looking at new tools, processes and structures for their operational environment. Organizations also need to think about their partners. How fundamental to their core operating environment is the security service offerings that they also offer? And more importantly, do they really have demonstrable experiences in both disciplines? Security is no longer an optional extra when it comes to network services. Our customers adopt more cloud-centric services and those consumption models for most of their IT services. What they're finding is that the network has really become their bottleneck, effectively prohibiting them from being able to pivot in whatever direction their business requires it. To address this, we've developed a network as a service offering, which really extends that usage-based consumption model into the network. There's some key fundamental technologies which allow this elasticity and this flexibility. Software-defined networking, combined with network function virtualization within our Verizon network service offering, allows you to deliver common network services where and where your business requires it. We have the ability to demand bandwidth and reduce bandwidth when your applications require it, so that ability to flex up and down as and when needed. Powerful portals and APIs have really offered our customers an unprecedented level of visibility and co-management functions, which really allows them to take control of the changes that they need to make in their environment, both manually and dynamically.